So, you're having trouble giving Monika a gift in Monika After Story. Well, you've come to the right place. Here are some reasons why Monika cannot read your gift in Monika After Story, ddlc. There are many things that could be causing this problem. This one thing I have heard a lot on Reddit, and that is unstable mode being enabled. This unstable mode is like a beta, meaning, well, it uses like the old game features. So if you have a check next to this, if it's, checked in that box, it could possibly not work and Monika cannot read your gift. So if you have that enabled, make sure you disable it. But that's not your problem, don't worry, there's still many more. Number 2 is you could be using an out-of-date version. Make sure you are updated to the latest version, but you could be trying to gift Monika a gift that does not exist in this game yet, and it will not have like the sprite pack stuff working correctly. So make sure you're always updated and using the latest sprite packs. And when it comes to actually giving Monika a gift, make sure you wait at least 30 seconds after giving the gift for the game to read all the files that you have put into the game. If you do it and then immediately open it, it won't have enough time to read it and it could cause problems, making it unable to read it or see them. But here's one problem I feel like everyone gets wrong when it comes to giving Monika a gift. Seeing a guide where, you obviously put the mod assets in the game folder and you put the actual gift file in the character folder. Something that people always have a lot of problems with for some reason is you actually have to enable a setting. What you would always do, you would open up the characters folder and, you would either, if you're gifting her clothing, you would paste the folder in here. But if you're actually giving Monika like a gift like coffee or something, create a text document. Don't create a rich text document. That's not what you want. You want an actual text document. This could be different for Mac. And then you would name it coffee. You have to name it exactly like that. And if you name it with like a capital or you spell it incorrectly, it will not work. And then put a dot gift. Just like that. But that's not all. You need to go, if you're using Windows 10, go up to the very top of Task Manager. You'll see File, Home, Share, and View. You need to go to this View tab right here. When you go to this view to the right here, where you can see item checkboxes, file name extensions, and hidden items, you need to check the box that says file name extension. Then you'll notice that txt will appear at the end of some of these files. You need to rename this file right here and delete the txt, because if you do not do that, it will mess up and you will not be able to read it. So you need to delete the .txt. Then there, it will work. Also, when it also comes to giving her gifts, let's just say, I don't know, man, maybe I speak French and I don't speak really good English, so I have my computer set the French language. You do not put coffee in here, and you don't put any gift file in here that's in English. I know it's kind of hard to explain, but you got to write it in your actual computer language. So if I speak French and I am playing Monika After Story, I'll not put coffee.gift. I would write it out in French. If you're not writing it out in your computer language, it will not work. So if I were to say coffee in Spanish and put it here, it would not work. So I mean, if your computer is set to another language that's not English, make sure you have the correct thing. You could do some research on it on whatever the thing is already, and then yeah. I mean, so it clearly worked for me. So I mean, when people say it isn't working for them, I really don't understand why it's not working for them. I did get a comment, just what I was saying before. Make sure you actually, type it out in your actual language. If your computer is set to a different language and you're typing it out in English, not the actual language your computer is using, it will not be able to read it because, well, Monika can't read, English file names. It's gonna read whatever your PC's primary language is set to. And just for a bonus one, on Christmas, there's a Christmas tree. You guys probably seen that because it was just Christmas like a month ago. Any gift given to Monika when the Christmas tree, the whole Christmas update is out, Monika will not receive them till Christmas Day. So you will have to wait till the 25th of December, Christmas Day, or you can always change your date to the 25th, Christmas, for Monika to open them. So yeah, don't worry. There usually is a present that will appear under the tree. Hopefully that helped. If this did solve your problem, please comment down below. It did. As always, thanks for watching.